Kia ora, guys. Okay, this is for group number 2, or for Mrs. McCleary's mathematics group. And this activity is called the number before or the number after 1 to 100. Okay. Now, if you click on the link on the slideshow, it'll take you to the instructions for this. And it says on there, if you have a printer at home, you can print off what's called a hundreds board. Okay. Mrs. J doesn't have a hundreds board at home, so I made my own, and I'll just show you it here. Okay, so this is my hundreds board. It's got the numbers from 1 to 10 at the top, and it goes from 1 all the way down to 100 at the bottom here. Okay, so you will need something like this, and you'll need some counters, kind of like what I've got here, or you could use little pieces of paper. Okay, so this is one that I just made. Now what you're going to do is you're going to cover over a number. Okay, so I'm going to take this one here and I'm going to cover over this number here. Okay, now what you guys need to do is you need to try and figure out what that number is, and to figure it out, you're going to look at the number before it and the number after it. Okay, now the number before the red jewel is 3. And the number after it is 5. I wonder what number could be under there. Let's see. Now I could do it this way. 1, 2, 3. Oh, what number is it? It's 4. Because I know that after 3 comes 4 and before 5 comes 4. Now let's have a look at this one here. Oh, this one's a bit trickier. We've got the number 65 in front of it and 67 after it. What could that number be? We've got 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. This number must be 66. Yay! We got it. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to get someone to put these gems on for you, or your counters, or whatever you're going to use. I was going to use Lego pieces, actually. That's another thing you could use. Okay. Put them on random things, on random numbers, and then you guys have to try and guess what those numbers are. Okay. Now, if that's too easy for you, let's try something a bit more tricky. Okay. I'll bring you back down to here. We're going to be using our tens, our knowledge of tens now. Okay. So I'm going to take this one here and I'm going to put it there. Okay. This time, we're not going to look at the number before and after. We're going to look at the number on top and on bottom. Okay. Now, this number here is number 44. And this number here is number 64. So 44 plus 10 will give you this number. 64 take away 10 will give you this number. If we've got 14, 24, 34, 44, and then skip 1, 64, 74, 84, 94, what must this number be? It must be, let's see, if I can get it up, 54, ka pai. Alright guys, so you practice your maths doing that. Take some photos or some videos, I don't mind, okay? And we'll see you later. Have fun!